Dear students, let us do one question. Plot the points 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6. Join these points in pairs. And then we have to answer, do they lie on the line passing through the origin? So let us plot these points. So first point is 2, 2. So I'm plotting the point 2, 2. Abscissa is 2. Ordinate is 2. So I've located point A. Now let us locate point 4, 4. So here we have the point 4, 4. And now we are going to plot 6, 6. So this is the point 6, 6. So now we have to join these points in pair. So I'll be joining them A to B and then B to C. And now we have to check whether they lie on the line passing through the origin. So let us make a line passing through origin. So we will be taking a line passing through these points. Okay, so it is clearly visible that the line which we have drawn passing through these 3 points passes through the origin also. Let us locate the origin. Here it is the origin, the point of intersection of the x-axis and the y-axis. So we see that point A, B, C, they lie on the same line which passes through origin. My dear students, the points which lie on the same line, they are called as collinear points. So we can say one more thing about these points, that points A, B, C, even the origin D, they are all collinear points as they lie on the same line. I hope the question is clear to you.